Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine s squared. That means I will put this one go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So we need to transform this one into this one. Later that, we divide both sides by s squared. Next, this one we can put into sine s over s. So we have the formula in here. So this one we have number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.